Are you looking for the best dash cam to keep you covered on the road in 2024? From crystal clear 4K recording to feature-packed options, I've narrowed down the top contenders you need to see. Stay tuned to find out which one is right for you. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Nextbase 222X. Nextbase, known for its premium dash cams, offers a budget-friendly option with the Walmart-exclusive 222X, priced at $139. This dual-channel, front and rear camera, handles the basics while retaining the brand's sleek design, though compromises are evident to keep costs low. The 222X mirrors the design of pricier models like the 422GW and 622GW, featuring a slim, rectangular body and a tapered lens neck. The front camera records at 1080p or 30 fps with a 140-degree field of view, while the rear camera captures at 720p 30 fps with the same FOV. A unique feature is the telescopic rear lens, which connects directly to the main unit, avoiding the need for a separate rear window camera. While this adds convenience, roof pillars may obstruct the view. Overall, it's a stylish and capable choice for budget-conscious buyers. Number 2.70 Viofo A229. It stands out in the crowded market of 4K front/1080p rear dash cams by offering an impressive range of features. It includes onboard GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for seamless phone connectivity, along with a vibrant 3-inch IPS display for crisp, colorful visuals. Power options are versatile, supporting both USB Type-A and Type-C cables. Advanced driver assistance features like lane departure and forward collision warnings further enhance its value. The A810 captures crystal-clear 4K video with the front camera and sharp 1080p footage with the rear camera, delivering superior image quality compared to most competitors in this price range. With its blend of performance and features, the Viofo A810 is a standout mid-range bargain, offering exceptional value among dual-channel dash cams. Number 3. Cobra SC 400D. It impressed us with its premium quality and performance, though it comes with a higher price tag. It captures stunning 4K footage from the front and 1080p high from the rear, delivering excellent image quality day or night. This dashcam boasts premium features, including a sturdy magnetic mount with integrated GPS, a sharp 3-inch touchscreen display, and Alexa support for hands-free assistance while driving. For added versatility, it can be expanded with an optional 120-degree FOV interior camera. With its robust build and advanced features, the Cobra SC 400D is an excellent choice for those willing to invest in a high-end dual-channel dashcam. Number 4. Nextbase 622GW. Before reviewing the Cobra SC 400D, the 622GW was our top choice for front-rear dashcam systems. It shares many of the same premium features, including sleek design and build quality, excellent day and night video capture, drive mapping, a crisp 3-inch display, Alexa support, and emergency response to accidents. Additionally, it supports an optional third interior camera for added versatility. Like the SC 400D, the 622GW comes with a premium price tag, but its performance and features justify the cost. Ultimately, both models are excellent picks, offering high-end functionality and reliability. Number 5. Viofo A229. A 3-channel dashcam provides comprehensive coverage by recording the front, rear, and interior views, making it hard to miss any details. The Viofo A229 stands out as the best 3-channel system, thanks to its impressive 1440p front and rear capture, 1080p interior footage, and a range of advanced features. The cameras are discreet, easy to install, and complemented by an onboard microphone for audio recording or voice commands, a handy feature while driving. The A229 also includes GPS tagging, motion detection, and parking mode, offering robust functionality for diverse scenarios. Packed with features and delivering excellent performance, the Viofo A229 is ideal for those seeking a reliable 3-channel system. If comprehensive monitoring is your priority, this dashcam should be at the top of your list. Which is the best dashcam of 2024? For its unbeatable 4K video, advanced features, and emergency SOS, the Nextbase 622GW takes the crown. Whether for safety or peace of mind, it's a solid investment. Check it out in the links below.